Hello everybody, my name is Sharif Khan. I am studying in ICCA Downgrade. Today's topic is variables, constant, and data type. What are variables? A variable is a storage location in memory that holds a value. Variable, nothing but it is a storage location. It is a storage location in memory that holds a value, holds a number, holds anything, holds so and so values. A value of a variable can change during program execution. But a programmer can change the value of the variable in during the execution. Then characteristics of variables. A variable has a type. Example int, float, and char. A variable has three types. A variable has a type. Example int, float, and char. The value assigned to a variable can be modified. Uh, Characteristic of variable. A variable has types. Example int for integer, floating value, char for single character, and boolean, and bool for boolean, and double, and many more. But this variable can be modified in future in execution time example. For example, int age is equal to 25. This will be integer value. Next, what are constants? A constant is a value that cannot be altered during program execution. Constant is opposite of variable. In variable, variable can be modified, but constant cannot be modified or altered during program execution. Constants are declared using the constant keyword in C++. Constant keyword is const. It can be declared using this. Example, constant float pi is equal to 3.14. Next, data types. A data type specifies what kind of data a variable can hold. A variable can hold. It data type specifies which kind of data and what kind of data of a data a variable can hold. In C and C++ provide several built-in data types like int, float, char, etc. Common data type in C and C++. Int for integer, float for floating point numbers, character, char for single characters, double for double precision floating point numbers, bool for boolean values for true or false. Next, types of data types in C and C++. Primitive data types. In primitive data types, it contains int, char, float, double, and bool. You know int means integer, character, floating point, double precision floating point, boolean types. Derived data type. It contains arrays, pointers, and functions. Arrays nothing but a collection of variable in the same data type, in the same type. Pointers variable that stores the memory address of another variables. Pointer is nothing but it is a variable that stores the memory address of another variables. Functions, there are types of functions. Next, user-defined data types. Struct and enum. Struct is used to define a collection of variables, uh, and enum defines set of name integer constant. Size of data type in C and C++. Memory size of common data types. Int, char, float, double, bool. Int means usually have 4 bytes, character 1 bytes, float 4 bytes, double 8 bytes, bool 1 byte, but depends on compiler. For example, printf size of int percentage lu bytes size of int. This is the example. But this size of data type depends on this bits also 64 bits, and in bits on depends on computer. Whatever computer is this, it's a 32 bits computer or the 64 bits computer You have understood? Next, I have simple program for you. This a small program for variable, constant, and rhyme size of data types. First, first we will start with header file, then main function for starting the program, then function variables. We have written three variables here: int, float, char. Int age, age is equal to 30. Float salary is equal to 50,000. Char grade is equal to A. Then constant float pi is equal to 3.14159. It is a pi is constant value. Then we will print this all the variables and constant, print type, that age, salary, grade, pi. Then size of the data type, we will print the size of the data type for this all four. Then return for ending the program. Then we will run the program. See. Yeah, the age is 30, salary is 50,000, grade A, pi value. Then size of the data types. Size of int 4 bytes. I have already done. Uh, int size is 4, float size is 4, character size is 1. Thank you guys for watching this video.